반갑습니다. Welcome to K-Wellness TV. Lots of people are sick these days. Illness may seem normal, and it may seem like you have to do a lot to keep yourself healthy. But good health is the most natural condition of life. That means being healthy should be what's normal. How many doctors do the forest or the wildlife animals need? In this video, I'd like to introduce a simple, clear principle that will help you attain better health, whatever your state of health right now. It is called Golden Principle of Health. The Golden Principle is related to the temperature of your body. Before we talk about the principle, let me ask you a question. Between your head and belly, which one will work well when it's cool, and which one works well when it's warm? Right, you wouldn't want a hot head or cold belly. When you are angry or you have the flu, your head becomes hot. What do you do at such times? You put a cool towel or ice on your forehead to lower your temperature. You do this because that is what your body tells you to do. When you have a bad cold or your whole body is shivering, you don't guzzle cold water or gobble down ice cream. Instead, you'd like to have hot chicken soup or drink a cup of lemon honey tea to warm the belly. Or in my case, when I grew up in Korea, I enjoyed hot barley tea or ginger tea. Let's check your physical condition right now to see how healthy you are in light of this principle. First, touch your forehead with your hand, and then the nape of your neck. Sense the temperature of these two areas. How do they feel? Now try feeling your lower abdomen. Try to sense the temperature inside your abdomen too. Does your gut feel hot or cold inside? If you're not used to feel the temperature inside of your body, then you can check the temperature of your hands by touching your hands together. Check the temperature of your feet with your hands too. Do your hands and feet feel warm or cold? It is great if our forehead and neck feel cool and your belly, hands and feet feel warm. Is that your condition? Great! Then you are probably focusing well and your mind is at peace and your head is clear. However, if your forehead feels hot or if your lower abdomen, hands or feet feel cold, then the balance of your body may be broken. In this state, you might feel your neck, your shoulders stiff, and your body tense, and your eyes and mouth dry. Your sensory organs are duller, and your breathing becomes shallow. This condition will affect your mental state as well. You may have trouble concentrating. Haven't you experienced that you're reading a book for a while, but you have trouble understanding and grasping its details? If this is the case with you, why don't we change the state of your body? Let's do some exercise together. You can sit on the floor or in a chair, it doesn't matter. Make loose fists with your hands. Relax your shoulders, and you can alternate your hands and tap your lower abdomen 2 inches or so below your belly button. It is called 단전 or 단tian in Chinese. It is the center, is energy center of the body. You can use the part of your fist where your little fingers are. Don't tap too hard. Apply enough force that you feel the vibration in your abdominal muscles. Feeling the body, feeling the vibration is the key. Tame your body and feel the vibration. Loosen up your shoulders and don't frown your face. Give some stimulation to your abdomen. You can do more than 100 repetitions within a minute. Great job. Let's keep doing. Let's do a little bit more. Keep tapping. Feel the vibration. Feel the vibration. loosen up your shoulders, and you are giving good stimulation to your body. If you want to focus more, then you can slowly close your eyes. Keep feeling the body. How does your abdomen muscle feel? 2 inches or so below your belly button. It is the center of energy. When you have strong energy in your lower abdomen, then the balance of your body becomes stronger and more stable. Keep tapping. You are strengthening your core too. Does it feel hard or soft? Don't tap too hard. Apply just the right amount of force so that you feel great. If you are not used to tapping your body, then in this way you are learning about your body. Keep tapping. Don't frown your face. Soften your facial muscles and have a gentle smile. You do this to let go of your stress, not to gain more stress. Keep smiling. Feel the vibration. Alright, slowly slow down and stop. Rub your abdomen. Close your eyes now and feel your body. You can comfortably focus on the sensations you feel in your body. Where do you feel vibration? Do you feel a warm heat developing somewhere deep in your belly? Can you feel the warmth spreading to your entire abdomen and lower back? Is your chest more comfortable? You're breathing deeper? Are your eyes moister? And is your mouth filling with saliva? Do you feel better? It didn't take you even 3 minutes to do this exercise. You made your head cooler and your abdomen warmer so that you were able to change the condition of your body in a very short time. That's why I call it the golden principle of health. It is keep your head cool and your belly warm. This video was inspired by the book Water Up, Fire Down by Il-ji Lee. Try the exercises and breathing meditations in this K-Wellness TV. You will experience your head becoming cooler and your belly warmer. I hope you become healthier, happier, and more peaceful with K-Wellness TV. Like this video and subscribe to this channel and leave your comments and I will reply to them. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.